Grabe yung preparation din dito. Ilang months din siya, lalo na yung mga shoots, ganun. Dami namin pinagdaanan.
It's hard, but it's fun.
Mama, nasa TV na kami.
We enjoyed it. Tapos din namin.
Nagpapasalamat talaga ako kay Mama, kay Papa, kasi sila talaga yung nagbuo ng event na ito.
Si Bella, she's a good girl, mabait na anak, masunurin. So, for us as parents, she deserves to have a great party as this one.
Please welcome our debutant, Miss Isabella Marie Bugayong. A warm round of applause.
And I wish you may live to be very old and toothless and still manage to smile. Because you have that beautiful smile. Enjoy your life. You have a full life ahead of you.
I'm giving a portrait para malaman mo na 18th ka kung ano itsura mo.
18 years from now, you'll be watching this video about your debut. At sasabihin mo, ako yan no, 18 years old ako. Maganda na ah. Di ba? Kasi ang ganda ko si Tita Jana.
She was called Yari. Tapos ngayon, Bella, pagtanda mo, hintayin mo kung ano yung tatawag sa'yo. Okay, birthdays mean two things. Okay, so one is a fresh start wherein you start looking back at life's lessons and use them to better you and inspire you. Second, it is a time to look forward with hope for more blessings, more love, and more experiences.
Knowing that you're 18, you are a woman.
Kahit kailan nag-act ka as a lady.
Today marks the beginning of your journey in realizing your dreams.
You're a little girl now grown up to be a beautiful young lady. Wish you all the best, study hard, and I am always praying for your success.
Uy, bawal na kay Tigong yan, ah.
take it slow. Let's just enjoy life to the fullest. Happy legalization cause huwag kang papakulong.
Wait lang. Pwede ba magbasa na lang?
Anyway, ayan. Hi, I wish you a life with purpose. A life where all your personal standards are not compromised and all your potentials are in full stretch. I wish you a life where you feel greatest compassion for others, and most importantly, I wish you a life where your heart really is. So again, happy 18th birthday, and you have no idea how much we are so proud of what you have become now. So, always be thankful for what you have.
And I want you to know, most importantly, that today marks your metamorphosis. You've now transformed into a beautiful and extraordinary woman. And I want you to always remember that. So happy birthday, Olivia.
I wish you all the best that life can offer. And I'm looking forward to what God has in store for you.
Hi Bella, you're so pretty. Like every day. I love you and happy birthday.
Wish ko sana maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Legal age ka na, pwede ka na makulong. So, be a good girl na.
So a warm round of applause for the University of Pangasinan Dance Company together with our birthday girl, Ella!
Happy birthday, Chan. You have grown to be a beautiful woman, even more beautiful than you were. We'll get the world's best in everything, and I will cherish our friendship. To the one of the smartest, prettiest, and I'm blessed that I found the most awesome, not just a friend, but a sister to me.
Sorry, di ako nakapag-breast. Di ako prepared. Parang kailan lang long hair ako. Ngayon, pogi na ako ngayon. Ito ang message ko sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday, Bella.
I wish you all the best in your 18-year-old life. Always do your best in everything you do and whatever you want to do. I know this is your 18th birthday, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to get rid of your fun side. I really, really hope na you still keep in touch with your funny, quirky, and darky side. Makiki-summer workshops na sa G-Force. Doon pa lang, I know she'll have a big career someday. So, yun, Mami Bella.
Lord, thank you for this day as we celebrate my sister's 18th birthday. Lord, continue to bless and guide my sister every day. May all her dreams come true.